Hey guys, Curtis from All Kings Project. As you see, I got my welder back out, and the old Harbor Freight cheap welder, and been doing some welding, acting like I do a welding. Anyway, we played around, and I've been playing around with some pipe, and put that in there. I say we took this thing up to car show last weekend. Got a lot of people looking at it, and there's a keg back there. It's not completely in, and got to figure out straps for it, and figure out where I'm gonna run the gas lines and everything else, and got the old nitrous bottles in there, a little bitty nitrous bottle, and got a little piece there. I did have a piece across right here in the very back, but I couldn't get the keg in there, so I had to cut that back out. And anyway, I don't know if I ever showed you, that's an old sign that says watch for water on road. I don't know how I came up with, oh yeah I do, somebody was throwing it away in the dumpster, and so I took it out of the dumpster. Anyway, that's kind of a funny thing. But anyway, told you I didn't like the steering wheel, the way that looked at the steering wheel is. So I made my own. Made it out of wrenches, some old wrenches. I went up to the pawn shop and got some old wrenches that were rusted out, and I had one, and put it on there. Liked the way it looked, and so I just put some others on there and put them in there. And as you can see, I painted that black instead of leaving it the way it was. It was needing to be painted anyway. It was two different colors of metal together. And I took the old flap disc and grounded those welds down, and there looks a lot better than the old turkey scratch, but you know, still not as good as it could be. But anyway, I got that in there, got that all done. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna take this off. But I got the wiring in here. The fuse box is back over here. Got that in there. This is all the wiring for the ignition and turn signals and stuff. And I've got to figure out what I'm going to do on that. Got to figure out that. Got the original wiring for the electric windows and electric locks, which I'm probably not going to use the electric locks. But I'm going to try to figure out how to make the windows work. But you can see that I'm kind of proud of that little steering wheel. It's kind of neat. Kind of a neat deal. But anyway. And I got the engine wiring harness up on that engine. I think I told y'all about it, but I got it on there. And but anyway, I don't know, I may have to do something different with the seat, because well, I think I'm just going to have to work on it and take it back out of here and work on the adjustment underneath, and get it lubed up and see if it'll work. Yeah, there's the pipe that I originally had in there, and I had it welded right up against the back, and but it was too tight. But anyway, I got it doing all right there. Now I stepped back here, wanted to took the fan off, took the stuff apart. I'm trying to figure out a hose. I'm going to have to get a flex hose to hook up to this radiator. I repainted it because it was off. Anyway, this was the air cleaner. Remember I was telling you about it? And I need to put it back on here. Show you what it looks like. Well, there we go. Anyway, there we go. Now you can see how it looks in there, like that. Anyway, we sanded the fender, getting it ready to paint. Sanded it down. It's not black anymore. And I went ahead and sanded down the hood. It's got lots of Weldings in it. I don't know if I'm going to fix all of them, but I might fix some of them. The other fender is still laying on the ground and still black. Anyway, there's a fan. I painted it. But anyway, getting it ready. Start working on it. Get it painted up. But anyway, that's kind of what's going on. Still haven't got the primer yet for the truck bed. I'll probably pick it up this weekend, and we'll see what I can do with it. See how it comes out. Little horse. I'm working and everything, so anyway, I just wanted to jump on here real quick, show you what I've been doing, what I've been up to. It's just been so dead blasted hot. I don't know how hot it's in your part of the world, but it is god awful hot. And I know New York said they were going to have a heat index of 110. That's pretty hot for New York. But anyway, that's what's going on. So anyway, we're going to jump off here real quick. Let's get a good look at that steering wheel again. Anyway, I think that's kind of neat. It'll look good when I get it painted. But anyway, as I say, peace out. Y'all have a blessed rest of the evening. Have a better day tomorrow. And Saturday, have a great, wonderful day. We'll see you the next time. Bye-bye, guys.